If you're experiencing network problems with a Windows 10 machine and you've thus far been unable to resolve the problems, then one option is to run the Network Troubleshooter. The Network Troubleshooter is a mechanism that's built into Windows 10, and it diagnoses common network problems and automatically resolves them. So let's take a look at how that might work. What I'm going to do is right-click on the Start button, and I'll go to Run. Then type the word Control in Input area. And so now I'm taken into the Legacy Control Panel. And next I'm going to click on the Control Panel search box. And I'm going to type the word Troubleshooting. And you can see that I have a result right here. I'll click on Troubleshooting. And we have several different troubleshooting options. And we have one right here for network and internet. I'll go ahead and click on that now. And so now I see a list of potential options. So I have an option to find and fix problems with connecting to the internet or to websites. There's an option for finding problems with network adapters, or option for diagnosing incoming connections. And then there's an option for diagnosing a connection to a workplace using direct access. I'll go ahead and use the Internet Connections option. So click on Internet Connections and then I see a quick summary. Click Next. And Windows begins trying to detect any problems that may exist. So now I see a dialog box and says please select the issue Windows should troubleshoot, and I'm going to tell Windows to troubleshoot my connection to the internet. And incidentally, this particular machine isn't having any problems. But I'll click Troubleshoot my connection to the internet. And Windows performs some tests and begins looking for my problem. And I get a message back saying that troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem, which isn't surprising because this machine doesn't have a problem. But if a problem were detected, the troubleshooter would tell you what the problem was, and it would either fix the problem or it would tell you how to fix the problem.